Guys, this video right here with this Max at the skate park, epic little truck on 4S. We're getting ready to put a 8S ESC in it from the Traxxas Maxx, and yeah, we couple little brakes, minor stuff, knocked a hinge pin out because it don't have the held in hinge or the captured hinge pins, and we broke a back rim. All in all, good day. YouTube, we are at the skate park. We got the Max and the Kagama. We'll see if we need the Kagama or not. Oh! Probably should be watching for trees. Okay? You're not in your normal spot here. Just nailed a tree. And it's 93 degrees out here, Joe. Man, I can't believe I nailed that tree like that. That was nuts. Nice job, buddy. Well, they're not doing it. I need to hit it way harder than that. Sick. Those with this camera suck. Oh! Oh. Actually recorded up here this time. Good jumps, good flips, not good recording. That was good recording. That was almost good wrecking. And again. Oh, we broke something. What did we break? Something broke. Oh, we knocked one of the hubs out, didn't we? What did we break? Nothing broke. Something broke. The tires broke. Oh, how the hell is the tire broke? Yeah, something broke. Hold on. Max's rim broke in the back, guys. That's what's going on. Whether we broke a rim, we're gonna go let the truck cool down, get the car phone cooled down, and get out the Suga, or not the Suga, the Kagama. Yeah, split the whole rim inside in the hub. All right, boys and girls, let's see if we can't launch it again with a bad rim. Yeah, we can. We can still launch it with a bad rim. We can't just nail it. Oh, it broke the whole front that time. What do we break now? What the hell? Oh, that did knock a pin out the hub. It ripped a screw out the front hub there, and the back rim is toast, y'all. So instead of beating her to death, we're gonna call it a day for that one.